at Sephora today to show you guys why Color Wow's Dream Coat is my favorite styling product and my #1 secret to a salon quality blowout at home. So as you can tell, my hair is very curly and I naturally have a little bit of frizz. That's why my solution to getting a super sleek blowout with no frizz is Color Wow's Dream Coat. Not only is it anti-humidity and anti-frizz spray, but it is also a heat protectant. So if you want to see how I get a professional styled blowout using Color Wow's Dream Coat, then just keep on watching. My favorite thing about Dream Coat is that you literally can't use too much. It'll never weigh down your hair. It literally is so lightweight and just feels like part of your blowout. Now that we've saturated the product into our hair and combed it out, we're going to take our favorite curl tool and we're going to start with our base. My hair is pretty textured, but you're gonna see how Color Wow helps me smooth out that texture with zero frizz. And just in that one pass, you were already able to see the difference, right? So there you are, a salon quality blowout at home. I am not a professional, and look at how beautiful and sleek my hair is. And I'm about to reveal Color Wow's best kept secret about Dream Coat. It stays in your hair for 3 days. Frizz-free hair for 3 days. For all of us busy girls, this is literally a wow moment.